Hey guys, welcome back to the channel VOGUENYOG. I hope you guys are doing good. Do you see how amazing these hairbands look? And do you want to know the secret? I made them myself. So if you want to learn too, then keep watching. We girls always have a pile of clothes lying around that we just want to throw away. But wait, get them back, because we are going to do a quick DIY with these. So grab an old top having an elastic fabric and get started. So first up, we are going to cut 3 strips out of the top. So once we are done, we're gonna grab each one of them and stretch them. Now we are gonna cut the loop from 2 ends to get 2 singular strips. Repeat the same with the others. Now that we have 6 strips, we're gonna combine 3 each to make a group of 2. And placing them both like this, one forming a loop and the other one forming a U over it. Now take the right arm of the U and place it under the right leg of the loop. Now take left arm of the U and place it under the head of the loop. Take the right arm of the U, place it over the head of the loop but under the left arm of the U. Now take the left arm of the loop, place it over the right arm and under the U. Now pull all 4 strips to form a perfect knot. Now, out of the remaining cloth, cut a piece of a square and 2 pieces of rectangle. Give each one a good stretch. Now grab the hairband, cut the strips to make the ends even. Now grab a rectangle strip and place it under one end of the hairband and stitch them together.
Two hours later.
A quick tip. Please take help of someone who really knows how to do it, because I don't want it for you, because ouch, that really hurts. Now repeat the same with the other end. Once that is done, cut the extra part of the strips and combine both the ends together and stitch them. And your one hairband is ready. For the next one, grab another top or t-shirt and cut out a strip of a considerable width as shown. Now again cut the ends to have two separate strips. Cut each one to the desired length. Now take one piece, fold it and stitch it on the open length. Now take a safety pin, pin it to one end and take it through to the opening of the other end. Repeat the same with the other piece. Now take the two strips and place them crosswise. Make sure that the stitched part of each strip is faced towards each other. Now take all the ends and stitch them together. So here are your easy peasy and yet stylish hairbands. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye. See you next time.